name is Arvina. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to make yogurt. This recipe is quite simple, so I'm sure you all can make one too. Enjoy! First, let's prepare the ingredients. For this, you will need whipping cream powder, cold water, 1 lemon's juice, 3 tablespoons sugar, 200 ml of yogurt plain, and choice of toppings. You will also need mixer, mixing bowl, blender, ice cube tray, and glass for serving. Now let's move on to the step. First of all, put whipping cream powder necessarily and then add some cold water into the mixing bowl. Mix the ingredients until the whipped cream thickens and it holds its shape. Next, put the yogurt plain, whipped cream, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 1 lemon's juice into the blender. Blend well. After that, pour the mixture into the ice cube tray. Leave it in the freezer for 24 hours for fermentation. Now take out the yogurt cube from the tray and put it into the blender. Blend until it's soft. Finally, time for plating. Put the yogurt mixture into the serving bowl and add in your toppings of choice. For this, I use grapefruit, strawberries, nata de coco, mangoes, and choco chips. There you have your own yogurt, healthy and tasty.